So this dude has no idea that we're behind him, and the dog is looking like, yo, are we gonna move out these people's way, or are you just gonna keep going hard like this? And the dog's freaking out. I don't know if y'all can see this, but the dog is wondering, what are you doing right now, dude?
Yeah, stick it over here.
Oh yeah, the dog's definitely like, what is going on?
This guy has no clue we're behind him. He's just walking.
I mean, we've been going like the whole street. He's like, oh snap!
Walking
it fast, walk fast. Oh man!
The dog's like, I've been trying to tell you to get over.
You're like, you keep telling me not to bark, but